Okay, as you can see, we've got the dual pump train horn kit. We've got the compressor and the pumps installed underneath the rear passenger seat on this 3/4 ton crew cab Chevy pickup truck. We're about to experience the power of the train horn.
Camera the other way, so
okay, as you can see, the train horns are mounted underneath the vehicle, facing forward. You can face it forward, you can face it towards the back. It makes no difference. They're so loud, they scare the hell out of everybody. The vehicle we are using today is just a simple 3/4 ton Chevy Duramax. He's got the standard dual train horn, single train horn, dual pump kit, but we recommend getting the larger tank for what we are about to experience. All right, we're driving through this complex. Let's see if we can find something. Hey, get this old man. Get this old man. Get him. Get him. Oh, God. Let's try to find somebody else. That was classic.
Can you see?
No, I can't see him yet. Hold on. All right, get him.
Stop.
Okay. Good luck.